Your Majesty, good morning and
Riri thirikari ikoretwo igiukirirwo na ikundi itiganite cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu kumana na kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia kwagarara ihoto cia umundu makiria ria honge cia ugitiri irang'ethanira na aria mararegana na thirikari. Riu Muthamaki wa bururi wa Netherlands Williem Alexander nioritie thirikari ikirire kugacirithia na kugitira ihoto cia akenya. Akiaria riria gucerete thingiraini wa iregi gucemania na President William Ruto, Muthamaki uyu ugite muingi wa bururi uri na gitumi gia gutetera na kurutithia wira ihoto iria mahetwo ni gatiba ya bururi.
The people of Kenya, like those of the Netherlands, want their rights as free citizens to be respected and their voices to be heard. I'm pleased that our country's strong and mature relationship allows us to devote attention during this visit to issues like human rights, good governance and accountability.
Neongerire kuga hari na bata wa guthingata mateta ma mbeu njithi aria nio aingi bururi-ini niguo gutigirira rucio rwa bururi ni rwihandite wega giuteti mwathanire-ini ona gukura kwa utonga wa bururi.
We believe in the future of Kenya, a future that will be determined by the Kenyan people. With a population whose average age is 20, your country is fortunate that it can rely on the ideas and energies of millions of young citizens. What opportunities do they see to build a bright future for the country they love? A future in which everyone can participate on an equal footing. Legal certainty has a fundamental role to play in this respect and is also essential for Kenya's economic development.
Hindi ya mucemanio uyu wa umuthi Kenya ni ikiranire ngirimiti itiganite na bururi wa Netherlands iria itanyitwo kugacirithio nyitaniro wa mabururi maya meri maundu-ini megie uigithia urimi na ugendi undu uria utugiririo ni President William Ruto.
This visit provides an invaluable opportunity to strengthen existing collaborations, explore new frontiers and accelerate mutual investment for shared prosperity. Our nations share a strategic partnership dating back to 1964. Over the decades, this relationship has evolved, driven by mutual respect, common aspirations, and a shared vision for a greener, more sustainable, and prosperous future.
Miario ya Alexander yukite riri ripoti ya kamiti ya Kenya Human Rights Commission yonanitie hari andu 82 aria merikanaga manyitirwo migwate kwambire mweri-ini wa gatandatu mwaka muhituku hindi ya mirurungano ya mbeu njithi. 29 ao matiri mamenyekana kuria mari undu uria wikirire nganja ugitiri wa aria maratetia thirikari na mwathanire muru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.